Welcome to the Furious Vibe, your go-to spot for the latest and most exciting vehicles. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Mercedes Vito Campervan, a perfect mix of luxury, practicality, and smart technology for travelers who want comfort on the road. The new Vito Campervan sports a sleek, aerodynamic design with a signature Mercedes-Benz grille, LED headlights, and stylish alloy wheels. It's compact enough for city driving, yet spacious enough for long road trips. The modern exterior isn't just about looks. It also improves fuel efficiency and driving performance. Inside, the cabin feels like a high-end and mobile home, packed with premium materials, ambient lighting, and smart storage solutions. The seating easily converts into a cozy bed, ensuring a restful sleep. The compact yet functional kitchenette includes a sink, induction cooktop, mini fridge, and microwave, perfect for cooking on the go. A fold-out table and rotating seats make mealtime comfortable and efficient. The 2026 Vito Campervan is loaded with cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while voice commands and gesture controls make operation effortless. Safety is a priority with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking, making long drives stress-free. Sustainability is a key highlight with a hybrid powertrain option that combines a fuel-efficient diesel engine with an electric motor. An all-electric variant is also available for zero-emission travel. Solar panels on the roof provide extra power for appliances, making off-grid adventures easier than ever. Designed for year-round travel, the Vito Campervan includes climate control, insulation, and double-glazed windows for all-weather comfort. A retractable awning and outdoor shower add to its practicality, making it ideal for nature lovers. With its blend of luxury, innovation, and sustainability, the 2026 Mercedes Vito Campervan is set to redefine road trips. Whether for weekend getaways or cross-country adventures, this campervan has everything you need. Stay tuned to the Furious Vibe for more exciting reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.